Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming basics. Power the G733 and ensure it has at least a 30% charge so settings persist. Next, physically inspect the microphone boom and pop filter for blockage or loose joints. This often causes muffled sound. Once done, plug in the USB wireless dongle or use the 3.5mm cable and verify your computer lists the G733 as the active input device. This early verification separates hardware faults from configuration issues and saves time moving forward. You now address software. Open Logitech G733 and apply any firmware updates. This fixes many mic firmware glitches. Make sure you reinstall or reset the G733 profile so equalization or side tone isn't muting the mic. Then go to your OS sound settings. Select the G733 as the input, set sample rate to 48 kHz, and disable exclusive control so apps don't grab the mic. After that, perform a short test recording in Voice Recorder, or OBS, to confirm the microphone captures clear, consistent level. You finish by isolating persistent issues. Swap the wireless dongle into different USB ports and try USB 2.0 if you suspect interference. Also test the headset on another computer to rule out host problems. If noise or dropouts persist, perform a factory reset in GHUB and fully repair the headset. As a last step, inspect or replace the mic capsule and wiring. Loose internal connections are common. If none of this works, contact Logitech support. Mention firmware, test recordings, and steps you already tried.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.